Hi all, in this Tech in 10 we are going to look at the new printable templates in Boardmaker 7 editor for the Activities to Go. So Activities to Go is a separate curriculum of different themes and activities, and what they've done is made those templates available for you to use in other activities as well. So there's a wealth of printable templates in here to use for anything you might think of in the classroom. To find those, simply go to New, Printable, and now you'll see all of your templates. Instead of looking at all of these, simply go to the top and click Activities to Go. And that will open up templates for every activity they use in the curriculum that then you can use in the classroom for various reasons. Again, go to New, Printable, Activities to Go, and then you will see all of the templates here that you can use to make printable activities. So for the first one, let's take a look at Recipe Craft Activity. And we're going to click Create to select it. Now, if you are doing a cooking or a sequential craft type activity in the classroom, this would be a great one to use. It gives you the template. It gives you the place to put the picture of what you're making, the materials, and the directions. The nice thing about the templates, again, is you don't have to now make all of these boxes, make the backgrounds and all of these things, because now it's just ready to go for you. Okay, so for purposes of this, let's just pretend it's our cookie recipe. We could do baking cookies. Again, this is just simply clicking and typing to make this your own. Now, materials. Again, simply start typing in the box. I'm going to put, let's do flour. Let's do eggs. Again, click on the box and start typing. And you can add your pictures that way. Remember as well, if you wanted pictures from the web, same thing, start typing. And then simply select the web up there and you'll get web images to use instead of the Boardmaker icons itself, okay? That's still the same. So there you are. Now you've added pictures. We're not going to do each one. So again, I simply selected the printable template for a recipe or craft. Put the picture here, started putting my materials here. Again, saves you the trouble of having to make all the boxes on your own. Or the directions, and I can start typing here. So one might be get the bowl. Say, let's get the bowl. Let's just put bowl. Select that, put it in there. Then you can also add text in there. Do it again down here. I mean, you could just, whatever it might be. I'm going to do dough. You get the idea. You can add each of your directions down here, but the main point is it's got their places to put your pictures, nice boxes already made that look nice, and then your directions over here. You could do X's over here each time you do a step. You could do whatever you want with these, right? But the main point is the template's ready to use. So again, just like you would if this was any activity, you have to make sure you save it. So I'm going to do save, call it cookies. And then you can make the PDF right from here. And there it is, ready to go, ready to print, ready to send, email, use. Nice looking. You didn't have to make all these boxes separately because you chose the template in Boardmaker 7. Let's return to my dashboard here, and we're going to do the same steps again. So I'm going to go to New, Printable, Activities to Go, and then we just chose the Recipe Craft. But there's lots and lots of stuff in here that you can use. One of the things I really love are these printable board game templates. And I love them for several reasons. One, you can print these and use them. For instance, there's a St. Patrick's Day one right there. They give you the color version, the black and white. Here's some cards you can use. if you wanted to. Again, it gives you the background template and how to use them. Or one of the things you can do is use your Command-Shift-4, take a screenshot of that board, right? Hop on over now to, say, Jamboard, and then you can use that board game as your background on Jamboard, Google Slides, Smart Notebook, anywhere you might be. Check that out. And now you can add cards over here and make your interactive game right on Jamboard. This could be Google Slides as well. This could be anywhere, but the point is you can take those screenshots from Boardmaker and then put them in a different activity. Let's go back again to here. I'm not going to save that. Same thing, new, printable, activities to go. Let's now look at the sorting activity here. Again, they give you the boxes already. They give you cards here that the student would cut out because this is, again, printable. So let's say this is fruits, and say this is vegetables. Okay. Now over here you can add pictures to these. And just like that, you can save now that as a PDF and print it and have a sorting activity ready to go, just like that. Again, the printable activities to go templates gives you the background and the structure template, and then you can just add the activity in that you want to do with your students without having to recreate all these boxes and things like that. Using the same principle as before, if you do Command-Shift-4 on a page like this, you could do the same thing. Go back into your Jamboard, set that now as your background, as you can bring in those pictures as well from Boardmaker by simply going and doing Command-Shift-4 of each of these, right? Or you could simply find Google Images and put them on here as well. Let me just bring in that image just so we have it here. And now that's movable on my page. And you can make the sorting activity right within Jamboard here. So again, just to recap, Boardmaker 7 editor has tons of templates you can choose from to make printable and interactive activities. The nice new feature is the offering of all the activities to go templates in here, so you can make activities again quickly and easily using the templates they offer for those activities. For instance, vocabulary sorting, word sorting, picture sorting, recipes and crafts. We looked at the recipe and craft. We also looked at the sorting, and we also looked at all these game boards that they offer here, which you can use simply on your own to print and use, or import them by screenshotting them into another activity, like Slides, Smart Notebook, or Jamboard to make an interactive game. They also have things like Find the Object. You could simply do that as well. Take a screenshot of that, put it in a Smart Notebook, put it in a Slides or Jamboard, add your objects to that. Your instant interactive activity that looks super nice, basically by combining Boardmaker and any of the other things that you know already. Again, this 10-minute text looks at using activities to go templates in Boardmaker, combining it with other options that you have already to make quick and easy printable or even interactive activities to use with your students. I hope this video is helpful. Always reach out if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.